Hi, I wasn't expecting to make this video today. I was supposed to be making a needle felt tutorial, but I was just out doing the sheep right now, and I noticed one of my Shetlands, Olive, her wool, she was like missing a chunk of wool. So I investigated, and it appears she's, believe it's called Rooing. I can literally just pull her wool out by the handfuls. I have some mini hand shears here. I just got her pinned up. And I guess we're gonna shear. It's a little annoying because the professional shearer that I hire every year, she's coming out in 3 days. So Olive couldn't wait 3 days, I guess. So we're gonna pull out her wool before she loses any more of it. And yeah. She was coated until a couple weeks ago, and then the coat was just getting itchy with her. You can see right there. That's what I already plucked out of her. She's in this bucket. Hopefully it's still usable. So we're gonna try to do this, and hopefully it goes well and she cooperates. Does that feel good? Ends are pretty dirty. We have two Shetlands here on the farm. We have Poppy, who is a badger face, just turned a year old. And we have Olive, who is her half sister, who just turned a year old. And she's a Shetland black, which is really just super dark brown. The tips sort of fade in the sun. You're doing so good, Olive. Olive's like one of our very friendly girls. You're okay. This is almost like our hair sheep. When they start shedding, you just pluck it right out. You're doing very good. Oh, can we stop moving? Just getting annoyed now. That's why we have you fenced in. I need to do this, Olive, so I don't waste your wool. That's a big chunk. I know, you're getting annoyed, but this needs to be done. I already have a bucket full. Look at you, you're so tiny under there. Hi, Ingrid. Olive's not getting anything special, it's just hay. You can't see her face, but she's eating now. You're doing good, you're doing good. A lot easier when I can just do it with both hands. I need my bucket, but I can't reach my bucket. There's just so much dirt in here. I think more she's just annoyed because I'm not just petting her. It doesn't hurt pulling the wool out. It's coming out very easily. She just doesn't like to stand still for long. She has a very short attention span. Itch you too while I'm pulling? You're fine, you're fine. You're doing very good. Definitely need a handstand, shearer stand thing. You're doing great. Don't worry, you're doing great. Just combs right out. I know. You want to go, but I know it itches. I know. So we have this bucket full. This bucket that's bucket that's growing. You can see the difference. Bad hair day. Bad hair day. I wasn't even thinking I was going to get this much wool off of her, but surprisingly there's a lot. That's only not even half of her. Oh, girly. Alright, we'll give her a little bit of a break, and then I'll try finishing her up. Okay, well that wasn't too bad. Got from her back of her neck down, which was covered for the most part with a blanket, and then I uncovered her because it looked like it was getting itchy and it was so hot. Huh, that wasn't so bad, was it? And get some grain as a treat. I think I'm just gonna leave her neck as is, and then I'll have the shearer clean it up and like even this out. Give it a fresh coat to start on, huh, girly? Yeah. She still likes me. That's what matters. But I got a 5-gallon bucket full from her, and a couple like gross scraps up there. Everyone's wondering what's going on. I can't wait for her wool. She's a Gotland, and It doesn't look too pretty right now. She's got hay all through it, but yes, you're so skittish. You're fine. You saying hi? It's just a camera. You're okay. But I will have her wool available. This is Ingrid, by the way. On my Etsy shop at the Maine Woolstead. I'm going to be selling 1 ounce clumps of her wool. It's great for needle felting. And then we have Edith over here, who is might not say it right, Cotswold thin cross. She has really nice curls, just like Ingrid does. So I'm probably going to be selling some 1 ounce for her too. It'll be great to use in needle felting for doll hair or Santa beards or little gnome beards. Like, it'll be great. But that was today's adventure. Wasn't planning on doing this at all. This is Poppy, our other Shetland. She is not Rooing at all, but her wool is a bit different. It's really short and crimpy, while Olive's here was really long and fine. But that was today's adventure on the farm. You gonna say bye, Olive? You gonna say bye?